today. I think we're gonna try to get a hood to fit on this. It might be a process. It hasn't started up in like 8 months since we went to New Zealand.
Yeah.
So battery charger's been on it for not very long. We'll see if it's enough. Started up really well. Yeah. Ran really well. Oil pressure's at 80, which is plenty. Another project we want to do is some stuff to get it running better, but we're going to start with the hood because we don't feel like thinking. We're at the junkyard. We got to get some parts for the Mustang.
This one you want?
Yeah. This is the hood we're going with. It's ugly, but we're going to cut it into pieces anyways. Good to go.
Yeehaw.
88 bucks, which is absurd, but that's okay. Okay. So the goal of this one is to cut the hole in it and figure out what size hole we need.
We have a little spectator. Let's go check him out. So we've been in New Zealand, but we do have a cat. This is Cheddar. He's in the sunroom right now, just watching us. Hi, buddy. He's mad that he can't come outside, but
We don't trust him.
and we're gonna be making loud noises and
Cutting fiberglass, which will be fun.
yeah, so he's
Better off in
he's watching us from inside. Plus it's warmer in there.
like that.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Don't pull it too far. We're gonna see how this guy does. Ready?
Yep.
That was sweet.
That was cool.
Does GoPro have a good view for the first test fit?
Yeah.
No way it fits. This is still gonna hit.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit right there, but we'll see.
Let's see how it does. Okay. So it goes lower than it did.
Yeah, not a whole lot.
Not a whole lot.
But I think our biggest holdup now is this guy, and that guy back there is, yeah, that's our one big holdup right there. Which I didn't really want to start cutting these cross members out, but I don't know if we're gonna have a choice. I know, I'm wondering how much we actually do. If we can leave, I think we probably could leave half of that, because it intersects like right here. I think we could leave half of it and maybe supplement it on the other side once we're done.
Mm-hmm.
Neat.
Neat.
I don't know what's gonna hit in back.
Oh, that looks pretty good
What's
though.
hitting over here? Oh, all our gauges. Okay, that's easy switch. Take all these off. They're just set back.
So many metal flakes.
Okay,
Alright.
so now we're catching it back again.
And is that it?
Yeah, we're pretty close.
That's exciting.
Ooh, that was fun.
Oh.
Okay, I think I gotta get that out too.
Ew.
Okay, let's see how this looks now. Wow. That's big progress.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it is hitting, so I gotta take more off here. Yep.
Okay. But it's definitely hitting. See it?
Yep, yep.
Right here is hitting. So I think if we left this mount where it is for now,
Okay.
and then just drop this down, we might get it. That has a hole there.
Okay.
And then I could cut a notch in there.
Right. Whew.
Alright, I actually like that a lot on the back one.
Yeah.
So that's flat now.
Yeah.
How's this side doing? Like make those go down.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta make a template. We've got a plan.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
We did that.
I like that. I think that looks cleaner than the straight edge.
That looks really good.
Yeah, that does look really good.
You know?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. But I agree. I think keeping that section as clean as possible is a good idea. Now what? Now I take this off and put it on the other hood?
Yeah. And see how it fits and then trace it out and get cutting.
Get cutting.
Yeehaw.
Woohoo!
Nice. to this. Cool. Here goes nothing. Right, Taylor?
Here you go. Here we go.
Oh, babe, take it easy. Okay. There we go. One down.
One down.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna go for this one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just got a connection.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it looks good. It's so much smaller than the other one.
Now we got to match up everything we cut on the bottom. We got to do it over here. Let's go test fit it. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Nice and slow.
Whoa.
It's so close.
It's so close.
I don't like how close this is. And I don't really like how close our throttle is.
Right?
Underneath a little bit down there. But I mean, that looks sick.
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm glad it worked.
Me too.
I like it. Test fit number 2.
I'm excited.
Oh, that looks pretty good. Shut all the way. No,
Woo! Okay, that's close, but
I'm gonna get a little more there. See that?
yeah, that guy's probably clear out. What about this? Definitely touching.
Touching for sure right there. We're gonna do a hole saw right back here. Might not be too bad actually.
Fine. Ooh, I actually like that.
Sand the bottom of it.
Yeah.
That looks sweet.
I know! It looks so good!
I'm trying to see if this scoop will fit. I just don't know if we have the height.
I don't know, it looks like we do on this side.
Yeah, that side's all the way down, which is cool.
So if we cut that side, it might work.
Even if we just cut out whatever's too high, I think it'd look pretty cool.
Yeah.
There.
There and there.
A little ugly. It's a little ugly. I mean, it's really close. We just gotta do more. We need more height.
Yeah.
Just press the gas pedal down. Just floor it and then let off a couple times. That's hitting. That's not ideal.
No.
The more we're looking at it, I don't think this scoop's gonna be tall enough, which we kind of figured. We just wanted to give it a shot. It's a bummer. If it was a ½ inch higher, I think it would work. So I think for now we'll go without a scoop, and eventually we'll probably build one that's like maybe 3/4 of an inch higher than this one. Maybe an inch. We're not gonna go crazy with it because I like the look of this one. But for now, probably run it with that. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap the video up here. Future plans for the Mustang are to get it running how it should be. And we'll eventually get a hood scoop on it. For the time being, we're gonna run it like this, and I think it looks pretty cool. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.